Hi everyone. We have a fun activity for today and tomorrow. Today is September 23rd. So for Wednesday and Thursday of this week, we're going to do something called a STEM quest, and we're going to go into space, and we're going to be using a game board. So on today's agenda, you'll see it says this is a 2-day activity. The directions for what to do on Wednesday are listed here, and for Thursday are listed here. I'm going to go through the activity, and you can come back to these directions if you forget what to do. There are 6 places on the game board, and you'll do 3 today and 3 tomorrow. This is our STEM quest. Let's go into space. This says, "Hi astronauts, as we prepare to start learning our astronomy unit, today you will go on a quest through space. You will solve challenges to reach the last mystery. 3 challenges to be completed Wednesday and 3 on Thursday. Slide number 3 has the steps to follow in case you forget. Fill in your answers on the read, watch, move on Wednesday, and then discover, explore, solve on Thursday. You'll use all of your answers on these challenges to solve on slide 10, and then you'll be given the riddle answer." So if we move on to slide 3, you'll see I highlighted Wednesday's activities in blue and Thursday's in purple, so you can see the difference. The first thing we have to do today is pick a game piece located on game board slide 4. And we're going to start at read, complete 5 tasks, and then we'll use this little star icon to go back to the game board to move our piece. So let's take a look at slide 4's game board. So here's our game board. This is where we're going to start. We're going to start at read. We pick a game piece. You can pick red, pink, yellow, blue, green, whatever your game piece may be. I'll choose red for now. You're going to drag it and drop it onto here. Read. My game piece disappeared. Let's see if I can find it. Read. Here's my game piece. Okay, so we got to bring that to the front, bring it over here to read. I'll put it next to it so we can see. When you get to this game piece, for read, it tells you to go to slide 5. So we'll click slide 5. Facts about space. Read through the National Geographic article about space. Click here to open the article. So we can open the article. That's very small. We'll want to open it up into a new tab. And we'll read the article here, Facts About Space. If you open this document and you have the read and write extension, that might help you. After you read the article, you can reduce the size and read the question. What other planet besides Earth has water on it? Maybe you don't remember. Go back to the article and see if you can find it. The next question says, what color is the sunset on Mars? Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus all have no what? How many pieces of space junk are there? And comets are made up of what material? You click on the box to type your answer. You can delete these words and type right in the box. And you'll use this later when we're doing the solve challenge. Once this is done, you click the star, and that'll take you back to the game board. And then you're going to move your piece to watch. We click watch, and that's going to take us to slide 6. On slide 6, we're going to play this movie. You click, give it a chance to load.
Our solar system.
And you'll watch this movie. It's about 4 minutes and 10 seconds. And after you're done watching, you're going to click and drag the planet words into the correct box. Terrestrial planets, meaning planets that are made of solid land. Jovian planets, the gas giant planets. If you're not sure, you can go back and rewatch the movie, then return to the game board by clicking this star. Move your piece to move, and then for Wednesday, that's all you would do. So go back to move, It's our last move on the board for Wednesday. It says drag and place the planets in the correct order from the sun. So if you're not sure, you'll have to go back and look at your other resources that you just completed so that you can start at the sun. What would be the next planet? Find that here. You drag the planet, you drop it into the right location. Leave all of these slides completed because then when you go back here, this is all we have to do today on Wednesday. On Thursday, you'll do discover, explore, and then the solve. Once you're done completing this move activity, then you'll go back to the classroom and click Mark as done for Wednesday. And Thursday, I'll send your game board back and you'll move your piece to, for the Thursday's challenge, Discover. You'll click Discover. And for the Discover activity, you're going to read through this article about the International Space Station. There's lots of interesting information about the space station. You open it up in a new tab and you can read about the astronauts and the missions that they took. Once you're done, you can leave this open to go back and then fill in the blanks here. How many people are working and living in space? Click and type. Go back to the article if you're not sure. How long has the crew been in space? What year did the first people move into the space station? What number expedition is this in the article? What countries are the astronauts from? And you list the countries. Then you'll go back to the game board, move to explore. For explore, you go to slide 9. And this is, you're going to use Google 360 view to look and explore the space station. So you click here so that you can open up the Google Earth view of the space station. Then you'll use that information here about the Kapalua Observational Module, which is the space station. What is it used for? How many windows does it have? And what was the most interesting thing you saw? Return to the game board. Move your piece to solve. This is where we get to use all of the information we found to solve. This is going to bring us to slide 10. And there's two different versions of the solve form. The crew level is a little easier. You can see I wrote that over here. It's a little bit easier of a version. You can try that if you're not confident. And the commander level is a little harder. You can do both if you'd like. Each one will lead you to what the answer for the riddle is. Now I need to get at least one of these forms back. It will go to my drive with your responses. So either you're going to decide you'll do the crew level, or maybe you'll try the commander level, or maybe I'll get 2 forms from you because you're up for the challenge. And the riddle says this is something you can look through. Although it's not a bubble, there is a large one out in space which has the name of Hubble. And as soon as you're done completing one of these forms, it's going to give you the answer at the end. So you'll type the answer here, click here when you're done so that you can see a little message, and then you'll mark this as complete in the classwork tab on Thursday. So you're doing 3 moves on Wednesday and 3 moves on this board on Thursday solving the puzzle. I hope that you have tons of fun. If you need help, come to the Google Meet.